Okay guys, I got another video for you. The Dynabrade Sander is finally giving up the ghost. So I'm gonna see if I can fix it. I'm gonna take it apart and see if I can't clean it, and I'll cut you back on once I get it apart if I can. Okay, so I got it apart. Let me see if I can clean it and put it back together, see if it'll work. Okay, so I'm cleaning everything up. I got a little brush here to clean that with. And I got this other part over here in the ultrasound. I got the whole motor. Seems to be done. Yeah, I'm going to clean everything up, and then I'm going to soak it in some oil and put it back together. See if it works. Okay guys, I think we might have brought the Dynabrade back to life. Seems to be working. Thanks for watching.